How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm fitting a steering wheel to my Honda Civic EG. So if you remember when I was breaking my EP2 steering wheel, I kept it on the side because I was going to put in the EG. If you don't know what that looks like, I'll put a picture of it on the screen. But recently I've bought the EJ9, which I'm breaking now. So I thought, let me just take a few parts out, and the steering wheel was one of them. It's a steering wheel I've always wanted. It's a deep dish one. It's in red, so it matches the car as well. I'm pretty sure it's an OMP one. I've got the horn that says OMP. So yeah. So I'm gonna fit that into my Honda Civic EG, and I'll show you the process. I've tried filming this before a couple of weeks ago, but it fit on. It was just spinning. So I've ordered a boss kit. Let's see how that works out. So yeah. So the boss kit, I've got it here. It's from MJC. They've given literally the boss kit, some screws, you can see them, and a ring. Not sure what that's for, but we'll figure it out on the way. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how to remove the EG steering wheel, and then let's fit the OMP deep dish one. So the first thing I have to do is I have to remove these screws. As it's come out the EJ9, this is for the EJ9 steering rack. The boss kit one's a bit different, it's for the EG. So I'll have to remove these screws and then screw the boss kit on. So yeah, I'll do this now. So that's now off. I'll just land the boss key up against it. So it'll literally sit like this. It will literally sit like that. So we're just gonna line the screws up, and then this will sit on the steering rack when this comes off. So yeah, so I'll start removing this steering wheel now. Right, so the first step to remove this is, can you see this badge here? You have to pry it out. So I've got a flathead screwdriver. So you literally just yep, that's out. Now if you can see inside there, that's a 19mm bolt. So you can get a torque wrench to remove it. I'm using the gun which I've got from Salish Autos. The Instagram will be on the screen, so follow them up. Yeah, so I've got the gun from them lot, and I'm going to remove this now. Alright, so that's it now. And hopefully that's loose. Yes, hopefully that should be loose, and it should just literally come out. Yep. Remove the bolt that sits on there. Right, so next thing you do, you literally position it. There's literally two holes where it just slots straight into, and then you get the nut and you just literally just tighten it. So then you can get the breaker bar, torque wrench, or like I'm using the gun, and just tighten it. So I'll do that now. Right, so that's in. Now after that, you literally just position your steering wheel to where you want it. So because mine's at an angle, I have to find the holes at the angle. So it's about there, if you can see that. So I'll just start putting the screws in, and I'll show you guys once it's done. Alright guys, so they're all in apart from this one. I used their screws that they supplied and use an Allen key which they supplied to tighten it. Now with this bit, you literally connect that to the horn. My horn's not working, so I need to get that sorted. It should literally, one sec, let me. So this just literally slots in. Yep, and then just put it on, one sec. Should just sit in there. Yeah. And that's my steering wheel on. I'm just gonna test it, take it for a round, and yeah, let's see what it's about. If it's not good, the other one goes back in. Right guys, so that's the steering wheel on now. It looks so much better than the standard EG one, but I'm gonna keep that as that's I've been told it's a SIR steering wheel. But yeah. Right guys, so that's the steering wheel on. It's not a long process, it's a lot of effort. You've got to make sure it's in the right angle. It took me a few tries because once I put it upside down, and the other one obviously I tried it without the boss kit. So yeah, so it looks so much better. I'll put before and after picture on. And yeah, so follow my Instagram, check out MJC. I'll put their details in the description below. If you want any EJ9 parts, message me on my Facebook or my Instagram. All the details will be in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. And yeah, I shall see you guys in the next one.